is a demo of our Crafter site that we built for our Zia loan automation systems. It's a simple demo where basically it's a landing page. It allows borrowers and lenders to be able to log into a common place. If they're a lender, they'd be able to create M folders. If they're borrowers, they'd be able to upload documents into this customized site. All the documents and everything that's happening behind the scenes is actually integrated with Alfresco. And after that, I'll show some of the authoring aspects that Crafter provides. So to begin here, we have our landing page for our Zia mortgage solutions. It's a nice little template. It has information. All the components on this screen can be customized by an author. So you can see here we have our login information on the left. We scroll down to some other basic information. Now, if we wanted to look at this on a iPad or basically a different viewport, an iPad, an iPhone, because of what Crafter provides, we can actually see this in different views. So if I go and look at this in iPhone, we see the Crafter site on an iPhone page. Same site, just rendered differently, right? Now if I turn the iPad here, or sorry, the iPhone, we get a different view. Now if I switch this to an iPad, we get a different layout. And this is all built based on your needs. So here, it's exact same information, right? It's just, but we have a different view. So this is the landing page. Again, there's an about. This is all sort of dummy data that's in there, but just showing you that different pages exist. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in as a lender here. And once I log in, on the left-hand side, just some components I'm going to be talking to later. Right now, it's just a YouTube video for our financial services webinar. But on the right-hand side, we have the ability to create a new mortgage application and the ability to upload files. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and create an M folder. We'll do it for Bob. The loan type, there's several ones that you could select from. We'll just do jumbo. Branch folder. Once I create the M folder here, the M folder is actually created in Alfresco. So, and I'll switch over to the Alfresco view to show that in a bit after I upload these files. But now we can upload these files. Now, if I was the borrower and I'm sitting with my applicant, I can have them give me documents. I can scan it in, and then we can upload the files directly into the system. So I have some images that we're going to be uploading: bank statement, driver's license, a 1040, W-2, pay stubs, right? We'll drop that in here and we'll start to upload. All right, and that was real quick here. All these documents got uploaded into our Alfresco instance, our Zia automation systems. So let me go ahead and switch over to that now. And this, again, this system is a remote server, and if I log in and look for my M folder here, it's 2014. Open that up, and you can see the documents that I uploaded earlier exist. We got thumbnail views here. Ideal next steps would probably be show these thumbnails inside the borrower portal. If we look at these documents now, we'll actually see some more information. So what's happening behind the scenes is these documents are getting classified, and the metadata is getting extracted off these documents. So we have a pay stub, and all this metadata is getting pulled off this document. So that's the integration into our Alfresco piece. All right. So if I go back to our Crafter site here, our portal, I'd like to now go into the authoring aspects. So to start, I'm actually in the Crafter authoring site. So we have Crafter Studio. This is the authoring site that an author would go and log into. Log in. Now, I have a few sites that I've created: a demo site, a retail site, a borrower site. The great thing about Crafter is you're not limited to only a few or a handful of sites. You can have one, you can have a million. The software will scale appropriately. And so things that you could do with the different sites is you can have different borrower sites, lender sites, perhaps product marketing campaign sites. All those can be easily and quickly built using Crafter. let me go ahead and go back to the borrower site that we're in. Home page. Let's go in as the lender again. All right. So some of the authoring aspects that we had here, if I turn this on, we can actually see a couple of different components where we can actually do some authoring. Earlier I said I talked to the video over here. These are components, and components can be anything that you build into a little widget, if you think of it that way. So on the main thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the logo. If I click on this icon here, you can see that this is the logo that was selected to replace it. So if we have a new theme for the system, new site, we can either upload a new logo or can choose logos that exist in the repository. So these are some of the logos that I created and added into Alfresco. All this information is getting pulled back from Alfresco. Now, this is a data source, and Crafter has the ability to have multiple different types of data sources. So it could be backed by Alfresco, it could be backed by some digital asset management system, perhaps Flickr. Any of those different systems would work. So let's just go ahead and change this logo. Just item, see logo changes, and save and preview. See our logo has changed, and then we can deploy this site live from here.